It's a beautiful sunrise at the nest on Christmas Day morning. Ozzy went to the river. I hope that the sunrise brings him lots of food to bring home. Yep, here we go. We'll pan around to the nest.
My roommate and I always go to
Mom's up here.
to watch the sunrise on the pier.
I think she's got her tail to us.
And I thought it was too cloudy.
Okay, we'll wait for Ozzy to come back. Harriet's up. Looking around. Morning, Harriet. Merry Christmas.
Munchkin number 1 keeps hugging Munchkin number 2. Oh, what's she doing? Hey, Harriet.
Okay. Then we cuddle with the baby again. Harriet's up. Looking around again. We're all sending good vibes that it's better fishing today. Yep, for everybody. Harriet just took a little break from the nest. She's in the favorite perch tree. She vocalized a little bit. So we're thinking Ozzy be coming. Come on, Mom. Okay, we'll watch for him too.
Merry Christmas,
Harriet. Yay, Mom. Okay, Mom. Okay. Yeah.
Alrighty, where is he? I'm telling you.
He'll be coming. Won't he, Harriet? We're waiting. Oh, Mom. Is Mom or Dad? Yes.
Wow.
We're here rooting.
33 seconds. What's longer for mine?
Okay. Is he coming? Huh?
Wow. We're on 45. I'm 40.
Ozzy's calling. Maybe Mama's coming back. Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Couldn't see you in the dark earlier. I hope you got something to eat. So you and Harriet are strong today to get more food in the clouds. Ozzy's back down.